Guys, I'm frying eggplant without oil. Preheated the pan for 230 degrees Celsius yung electric skillet. And then, 5 minutes preheating, ilagay po yung mga talong. Okay. And then, sasabayan ko na yung sunny side up egg ko. Just crack the egg and then put some salt, then cover this. 1 minute lang yung egg kasi na-preheat na ng 5 minutes yung pan natin. So guys, magka-crack na tayo ng egg. Just add some salt. And cover it. Nakita nyo? Cover it. 1 minute. After 2 minutes, let's flip the eggplant po. Look at that. Tignan nyo po, oh. Frying eggplants without oil. Perfect, diba? Kahit walang oil. Yung egg, maluluto po siya sa steam. No oil. Healthy breakfast. So, after a minute or 2, luto na po yung ating sunny side up egg and eggplant, guys. Kain na ho tayo. Perfect, guys. Use your turner sa pagkuha ng eggs. Pag gusto ng malasado, kunin na agad. 2 minutes kasi to eh.